What is going on, everybody? Welcome again to Brelsford's Rides. We're back here with another Project Rev episode, getting ready for Foxtoberfest 2022. We're doing something pretty big today for the car. For me, in my eyes, it's pretty big. It's a big change. Going to change the look of this car, I think, completely. So one thing I've always wanted to do was paint the headlight buckets. So right now we're in the process of taping them off. We bought some SEM bumper coater, and we're going to scuff these up, get them as smooth as possible, and we're going to paint them and see how they come out. I'm going to start out with the headlight buckets. I think I'm going to leave the trim, the body color, but for now I want to do the black buckets and just kind of see how it looks. I haven't seen anyone else do that before, so maybe that's because it's terrible, but we'll find out. But I'm going to get back to it, start taping these up again. As you guys can see, I've already taped up one headlight. It's completely covered. Only exposed area is the body color painted bucket. So we're going to sand these up, scuff them up, and we're going to lay a coating of bumper coater on them. And now I got to tape up the other side as well.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
Alright, so once you get... Sorry I'm working with very little space right now, guys, but once you get it all sanded up, you're going to want to get a Scotch-Brite pad. This is the SEM bumper coater. This is what I'm using. It says no adhesion promoter required, but we're gonna go ahead and scuff it up here with Scotch-Brite, and we're gonna lay a coat on. So I'm gonna finish scuffing it up. I've already started. Get it rubbing pretty good. All I need is the back of one of these sponges. And I'm not an expert, guys. This is my first time ever doing this, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep rubbing this up. I mean, it should be good. It's pretty scuffed up. I've been doing it for a while. Then we're gonna get some mineral spirits, and we're gonna wipe it down, wipe it clean. So you take some mineral spirits and you're gonna wipe all the loose debris off, all over it, and then you're gonna wait for it to dry, and you'll lay your first coating of bumper coater on. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the engine bay masked off, so it's ready to lay the first coat. So I should probably just wait till tomorrow morning to do this outside, but I'm very impatient, so this is my impromptu paint wall for the boss to keep it safe. If it looks like it's splattering everywhere, we're going to stop. It's getting in the air. So I'm going to go ahead and shake up the can, and we're going to go ahead and get a coating on. Alright, here we go. It says 3 passes, 2 or 3 passes, 6 to 8 inches. We are committed now. This is hard to do while I'm holding this, guys, and I don't have a good spot to really put it for this. So apologize for not getting the view you wanted to see. Let it tack up a bit, and then you can hit it in any spots that it's kind of leaving pores. Come back to you guys when I'm done cleaning up some spots. Now let's go ahead and get this other one tacked. I need to do a better job of just putting a light coat on. Last time I went a little too heavy and started rolling down the side. So we're gonna let this one cure for a little longer and just get a light coat on. I'll come back to you guys for the finished product. Hope this looks good. Guys, I got a big issue and need help. I'm trying to get ready for Foxtoberfest, and the starter is stuck on. Anyone have an idea? I'm all ears. If you guys didn't just see, we were trying to start the Fox, and we were gonna pull it out to reveal the new headlights to you guys, but the starter stuck on. So I was freaking out. Quickly popped the hood. Removed the negative terminal, and got it off before we burned up the starter. And we took the starter. I'm talking, buddy. Took the starter solenoid to Advanced Auto Parts, got a new one, slapped it on, and it's not trying to start, so that's a good sign. We're gonna try to fire it up, see if it does the same thing. I'm quickly ready to remove the terminal if I have to. So we're gonna see what happens. Ready?
Yeah. I like it. Woo. Uh-oh. Baby.
All right, so the car is starting. The starter's not stuck on. All good things. And here's the reveal of the front headlights. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. We need new headlights themselves. When we put that chin splitter on from the Mach 1 chin splitter, it's gonna look real good. It's gonna look a lot more aggressive. I like it a lot. Look out, Leighton, Maddox. Look out, buddy. Yeah, it needs new headlights. It does need cleaner headlights. We're gonna have the 10th anniversary Cobra rims on there with the Mach 1 splitter and or Mach 1 lip, and it's gonna look real good. I really like that. That came out really good. Yeah, so this episode had a lot more drama than I expected. I definitely was not expecting the starter to stick on. I was like, oh crap. I thought for a second for sure. I thought we weren't going to Foxtoberfest. At least I thought the car wasn't gonna go. I was already talking to my wife about taking the boss down there and just parking outside and walking around just to meet all my friends and stuff. We told the boys they're going, so this is good news, guys. I'm definitely glad this is all working out. No, Leighton, don't whip that. You guys excited for Foxtoberfest?
Yeah. I want to bring my car there.
You want me to bring your car?
Uh-huh.
All right.
It's always nice to have a clean car.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. If you guys enjoyed this video, click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are willing to, share it out. Helps the channel grow, helps us keep this Foxbody project going. The boys are super into it, as you can tell. And we're looking... We're gonna get a trailer, that's right. We're gonna trailer this thing there. We're excited to get going on a roller motor build. We're starting to accumulate parts slowly by slowly. And soon, the goal for 2023 is to have that motor built and ready to go into Project Rev. Well, that's all I got for today's video, guys. Again, if you did enjoy that video, please click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Hayden, you wanna say bye? Say bye. Say bye, wave. 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 You gonna wave? Say bye-bye. All right, guys, take care.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be